post-game press conference. TNT bounces back and gets their 7th win. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Chot Reyes, and our best player of the game, R.R. Pugoy. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chot, after that uncharacteristic last game, how important was it to be able to bounce back today and deliver on both ends of the floor by limiting Phoenix to just below 100 points and also scoring 100?
Well, first of all, we talked about this before the last game. It's really hard to play teams that have nothing to lose. And you saw how Terra Firma played in the last game. They were playing freely. They were hitting all the shots. And I take full responsibility because I failed to prepare the players enough for a situation like that. So the disappointing part was our defense was non-existent in the last game, and that was all we talked about yesterday at practice. So we wanted to make sure that we go back to who we are, the way we play defense. So you're right. The last game was very uncharacteristic, but take nothing away from Terra Firma. They played a hell of a ball game. They shot the lights out. And then we run into a hurricane named Nonoy. Hurricane Nonoy kicked our butts the last game. So I think it was very important for us to take the lesson from that game into today's ball game.
Thank you, Coach Chot. Now, RR, nabanggit na nga ni Coach Chot that the goal for today was to go back to your defensive roots. What positive shifts na nakita mo today, both on individual and team defense para sa TNT?
Siguro nung last game kasi parang ang selfish namin, hindi kami nagtutulungan. So nakita namin ngayon kung sino yung kailangan tulungan, nagtutulungan na kami, lalo na sa help side. So yun nga, pag ganun yung depensa namin, last game, wala talaga kaming chance manalo. So ni-remind kami palagi ni Coach Chot na kung gusto nating manalo, dumipensa tayo.